Welcome to Fortstock. At Fortstock, we use blockchain technology to accelerate, facilitate, and increase trust in the warehouse receipt process. Our technology allows warehouse receipts to be established, monitored, and updated in real time. Our platform connects three parties: the goods owners, warehouse operators, and lenders. Fortstock allows warehouses to monetize their custodian role in the warehouse financing process, thereby generating substantial recurring revenue. Let's see how a warehouse connects to Fortstock and uses its functionalities. The warehouse, upon request of the client goods owner, issues a warehouse receipt document. The warehouse receipt verifies stock availability. The warehouse assignee issues and signs the warehouse receipt. At the moment of signing, the Fortstock platform issues a token in the Ethereum blockchain. Blockchain in the back end ensures that the warehouse receipt is not exposed to fraud. It is now the goods owner's turn. Thanks to Fortstock, the goods owner increases loan opportunities and stock management efficiencies. The goods owner logs into its account and sees the warehouse receipt. This means that the warehouse verified the goods owner's stock availability. Now, the goods owner can provide a bank with attractive and secured collateral and negotiate the terms of the warehouse financing. After an agreement is reached, the goods owner transfers the warehouse receipt to the bank as loan security. Thereby, stocks will be used as collateral security. Now let's see how the bank uses the platform. Through Fortstock, banks can open or enhance their SME lending businesses, increase their market share, promote profitable growth, and reduce the risk attached to SME warehouse financing. The warehouse receipt issued on Fortstock will be in the bank's possession until the loan is repaid. This can be confirmed by signatures and, of course, by Ethereum transactions. There are two scenarios. If the loan is paid back, the bank returns the warehouse receipt to the goods owner. Thus, the stock limit is lifted. Conversely, if the borrower defaults on its loan, the bank transfers the warehouse receipt to the warehouse in exchange for the pledged goods. If the loan is refunded, the goods owner can transfer the warehouse receipt back to the warehouse and thus redeem this warehouse receipt. The goods are unlocked and freed from the pledge. Okay, but business never stops. What if the goods owner needs the pledged goods? Easy. Just change the initial warehouse receipt with another based on another pledge of goods. However, this process must be supervised and approved by all parties, bank and warehouse. Fortstock offers this flexibility thanks to its secure exchange feature. Let's see how it works. The secure exchange must be verified by the bank and by the goods owner. This double verification renders the secure exchange legally consensual and secure. The first warehouse receipt is redeemed, and the goods indicated in it are released from collateral. The new warehouse receipt passes to the bank, and the goods indicated in it are encumbered until the loan is repaid. Blockchain transactions record the corresponding movements of the token. Thus, the Fortstock platform delivers automation, trust, and speed for the full warehouse receipt process and brings value to the three stakeholders in the warrant financing system: financial institutions, warehouses, and the owner of the goods.